welcome to this Canvas video tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit course navigation in Canvas. So one of the reasons why we edit course navigation is we want to make navigating the course as easy as possible for the student. So when you receive your course shell or your template for the first time, you're going to notice that everything is wide open. So the student has access to every tool that we've integrated with Canvas directly. So we want to reduce that so that we can kind of guide the student to where we want them to go by using modules, pages, and other areas of the Canvas course. So I'm going to show you how to do that in your Canvas course. So we're going to use my sandbox as an example. And when I go to my sandbox, it's going to take me to my front page, which in this case is set to my modules page. So I'm going to go to the left-hand course navigation menu, and I'm going to scroll all the way down to settings. I'm going to click on settings. It's going to give me a series of tabs, and the third one is navigation. So if we click on navigation, you're going to see a long list of items here that students have direct access to. So just because I remove something doesn't mean that I can't use that tool in my class. It just means that the student can't access it directly without either going through modules or a Canvas page. So what we're going to do now is we're going to drag the ones that we're not using down to this area where it says items are hidden from students. So I don't want my students to have direct access to Discovery Education, Microsoft Team Meetings, Class Notebook, Studio. So I'm going to reduce this down so that only the most important areas of the course are visible. So we're taking away a lot of stuff here. So I am only leaving home, syllabus, announcements, modules, and grades. And those are the 5 areas that I put on your Canvas course setup checklist that you want to have visible to students at all times. So I actually ordered those. If you find the ones out of order, you can just drag it where you want it to be. And then that kind of sets the order. Now, the last step that you really need to make sure that you complete is you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you're going to see the Save button. If for some reason you go away from this page and you don't hit that Save button, it's just going to revert back to the way it was. So make sure you hit Save. All right, and then once you do that, course navigation has been set up. Now, one of the things you're going to notice on the left-hand side is that if I look in navigation, I made announcements visible to students, but for some reason, there's an eyeball with a slash through it. And the reason is that I haven't posted any announcements yet. If there's no content in the section, that section is automatically hidden from students. So once I post my first announcement, that section will become visible to our students. So just a little tip there. That concludes our tutorial on editing course navigation. Thank you.